รายการต่อไปนี้เป็นรายการสำหรับเด็กผลิตขึ้นเพื่อผู้ชมในวัย 6-12 ปีอาจมีภาพเสียงหรือดนตรีประกอบซึ่งใช้เฉพาะในการเรียนการสอนเท่านั้น
Hello students, welcome back to my video number 7 of computer science with P3. So I hope you are doing great and we are going to start unit number 3. We have finished unit 1, unit 2 and now we're gonna start unit 3. And before we're gonna start, I wanna make sure that you have already done your homework, which I have done last video. In that we had unit test, which was pretty easy, and I reviewed the whole unit, and now we're gonna begin unit number 3. Alright, so I hope you are ready for that. Let's begin. Okay students, so the unit number 3 topic is, what is this about? It's about internet and information technology. The internet is like you can interact with the whole world and you can access all the data in the world. Alright, so this is internet. And what is information technology? That we use to help and in the daily living things, and we use it in a smartphone to communicate with everyone. Alright, so here we go. Information technology or IT help us for living and work. With it, we can use internet through a computer and a smartphone to communicate and search for knowledge. So it's very useful to us because it gives us chances to learn endlessly. Alright, so you can learn on internet using Google, you can search on internet, you can play game, you can watch movies, and you have so many things to do at internet, right? So as you can see, there are two kids sitting on a computer and they open a Google. Alright, so they are searching different things on Google to find out what they want to see. Alright, they are looking at the pictures of different fruit. So I will teach you how you can search on Google. Alright, here you can see the different kind of pictures that you have to mark yes and no, tick and cross. This is tick and this is cross. You have to tick the internet icon and cross which is not in internet icon. Alright, so which one we use for internet? Number one is Microsoft Edge. When you open this, you can search. It's like Google. And Paint. Paint is like internet? No, it's not an internet, it's just an application. And Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so this one is also a browser that when you open, you can open a Google on it and you can search for something that you want. And the next one we have is, what is this? Microsoft Word. Alright, Microsoft Word is an internet related things? No, it's just a document format. Alright, so we write something on it. So this is not an internet application. This is just a documentation for application. Alright, so it's wrong. And the next one we have Furry. Alright, so in this one it's a Google it's a iPhone application that you can search on it and you can play game on it. Alright, so you're gonna tick. Alright, and the next one we have Microsoft Excel. Alright, the Microsoft Excel is not an internet thing, so you're gonna cross this one. Alright, and the next one we have Google Chrome. Alright, the Google Chrome is an internet thing. Yes, of course, we use it for searching on Google. So this is the most common browser that we use for searching on internet. Alright, so the next one we have is Microsoft PowerPoint. Alright, the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so Microsoft PowerPoint is not an internet thing, so you're gonna cross it well. Alright, okay, Now we're gonna talk about internet. Internet is a large computer network. It links each other worldwide. This network make the communication easy and fast. It's also a large source of information and knowledge. So we should learn how to search the internet for useful information and knowledge. Alright? Okay. So how we can do is like something like is internet, we can search on internet and find different kind of thing that we are looking for. Like we can talk, we can find, we can search, and we can watch as well. The next is how can we search on internet. There is the way that you search on internet. So which is the way? So first way to search for information on internet that is up to you which browser you're gonna use. There are different, as you have seen in before, the Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so you can pick any of them. First you're gonna click, I'll show you. Okay, everyone, as you can see, there is a Google Chrome. Can you see? It's a Google Chrome, as you can see here. So I'm gonna double click on it and it will open, and now it will be open. Okay, so this is my Google. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna write what you want to search. First I'm gonna open a Google. All right, okay, this is Google. Every website has its address, google.com. Alright, and then I'm gonna click enter. Right, so as you can see, the Google is open. Now you can search anything on it. Alright, you want to search the pictures, you want to search for the games, you want to search for the videos, anything, any data you want to search, you can just write on it and you can find on it. Alright, let's check it out how we can search on a Google. First I'm gonna write the game that I used to play for coding. Okay, let's check it out. What is the spelling is CODE.org. Okay, and enter, and this is the one I'm gonna click. Alright, so this is how we can open on a browser. Okay, I hope you understand for this how to open, right? So we can search on it and we can find out on it. Alright, so I want to go back. I will go back when I search this and I want to see the picture about this. Anything I want to see the picture, like I want to see the dog or cat. I want to see the dogs. I'm gonna write DOGS, dogs. I want to see the pictures of dog. Alright, so this is images. I'm gonna click here. Okay, so we can see different types of dog picture. Alright, this is a cute one. As you can see how innocent it look like. I like this one. Okay, as you can see so many dogs here. Okay, now I'm gonna search cat. C-A-T, cat. Alright, we have different cats. Which one you like? Well, I like this one, the white color. It's beautiful, right? And you see, there are so many cats here. Alright. Okay. So if I want to watch YouTube, I'm gonna write YOUTUBE, YouTube, and enter, and then open this one. Okay. So the YouTube is open. Now you can watch the video on it. You can watch cartoon. You can watch movies. Can watch funny clips, anything, or you can listen song. Alright. Okay, student, I hope you understand how we can search on Google. Alright. Okay, student, so I'm gonna let you watch a video clip. There you can see what is this internet and how does it work. Okay, are you ready? Let's check it out.
You've probably heard the word internet a lot, but what is the internet? The internet is a network of lots and lots of computers connected to each other so people can keep in touch.
Hello.
Ciao.
Hi.
Guten Tag.
Howdy. G'day.
You can use the internet on computers, tablets, games consoles or phones, even on watches, glasses, cameras and cars. Some computers are connected with cables that run all around the world, underground and under the sea. Some computers are connected without any cables at all. This is called wireless. The internet is a big part of our lives because we can use it to do lots of things, like doing our shopping from home, playing games with friends who are far away, or sharing fun videos of cats.
Alright students, so I hope it was fun, the video was and I hope you understood what is this about, what was the internet, how it's work. Alright, so moving to the next one, so we have how we can find the information we have to pick. Like when we search on a Google, what is the keyword that we have to write when we search on the Google? Number one, pick a keyword that you want to search. You must be clear and link to the topic and check where the source is from. It should be from whom or to where you can trust. Alright, so number one, you have to find the keyword, and then number two is check which source is authentic, that which one source is you can trust on. And then the next one is you can see from school or university, okay, and from government, from businesses, from non-profit organization. Alright, so you gather the information from the different source, and then number four, present that information together, turn into the on word. Okay, I hope it will be easy for you, but it's okay. So the next one, we have the rules that we have to follow while searching on internet. When we use computer, a smartphone, to communicate and search information on internet, we should follow the rules to keep ourselves and others safe. Okay, which thing we have to do and follow when we're gonna be using internet? So first thing you have to do, use them under our parents' control to be safe from criminals. Alright, when your mom and dad is near you, you should be using your phone or internet or your tablet in front of your parents, so you will be safe from criminals. Okay, criminals is like people who are not good, from bad people. Okay, so number two is use a polite and appropriate language. Okay, when you talk with your friends, so you have to be nice, you have to be polite when you talk with your friends. Alright, and number three you have is do not share your private information on the internet, like your ID card, your passport, or your personal information. Okay, do not share with internet. Alright, and number four we have is don't use the internet for too long. Alright, so your eyes gonna be affected. Okay, so you should be using internet just in case if you need to. Alright, just for 1 hour maximum or not more than that, and that's it. Okay, so these are the things you have to follow when you use the internet. Okay students, so you have activity now that you have to do is, which is easy, that as I have told you that when you're gonna search, there is a website. So every website has its address. Okay, the address can be www, like for a Google, the address is www.google.com. The way to search for information is index directory or search engine. Okay, so there are two ways, and number second is Sanook. Okay, in this one www.sanook.com. Alright, so in this one you can see index directory and search engine, the way of searching this. Okay, website is Bing. Okay, www.bing.com. Okay, so these are the things you have to follow, and this is the address of the website. Okay, so ask, so the website logo is like this, and then website link is www.ask.com. Okay, so the activity number 3.2 is that I want to make this is about when you search information, then which are the keywords do you have to write when you search for information. Okay, So you are cooking and making an omelette. I want to make an omelette. How I can start? So she wants to search on internet how to make omelette. Okay. So she wants to know how to make an omelette. Keyword should be how to make an omelette. Okay. So this is how she has to type how to make omelette. Okay. Number 2. I still cannot remember how to play Clyde Wrong. Okay. So what should he do? He has to write Clyde Wrong lyrics. Oh, no. Clyde Wrong piano note. Okay. So he has to search like this. The second one is correct because he wants to know the note of the song. All right. And number 3 like this. What does correct means? So the meaning of correct is, what is that? She doesn't know, so you have to write the meaning of correct or correct pronunciation. So pronunciation is not the right word to search. The searching is correct meaning. All right. So she wants to search what is the correct means. So this is how you can search on internet. All right, students. Today's topic was pretty long because it's something new and we are not relevant to coding anymore. So now we are moving to the new topic which is new for you, and that's why it's pretty long. I had to explain you well. Anyways, and I hope you understood, as I can consider that you have been using internet for a long time and I think you know already, but I had to explain to you in an appropriate way. Anyways, I hope you understand everything, and if there is any question you have, if anything you want to ask, you can search on Google, or you can ask me in a group that if you don't understand how to search on a Google. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you